good day, it's a pigeon guy here. Just want to show you guys a update on everything, guys. So yeah, guys, here's pigeons. This pigeons is my young birds I have bred so far, like in last year, and most of them are sold, like I told you guys. So this is just what I have left again. Yeah, as you guys can see, empty, no birds. And yeah, guys, this is just a B12. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna give that in next week. So yeah, guys, let me show you guys the other birds. This is the rest of the birds, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.